go to? Fish spot. Oh, there's another one.
It could be a catfish or a Hippopotamus, but I know that a lot of people let goldfish go in these places, and then they grow to be huge. I mean, whoa, hello.
Just floating along.
Oh, there's one up. There's one up there.
Oh, do you see the dog on the other side? Does that matter? Big doodle dog of some sort. Oh yeah, there's another one. Wow. Oh gosh, I wonder what for.
Oh, there's flamingos out there too.
Sure enough.